Hi everyone, welcome to our educational channel Heredity Bioacademy. Today we will discuss about the preparation of MacConkey Agar. In this video, I will share the details about the uses, composition and preparation of MacConkey Agar. MacConkey Agar is a differentiate media. It differentiates the microorganism on the basis of their color and morphology. MacConkey Agar differentiate bacteria on two bases, that is lactose fermenting colonies and non-lactose fermenting colonies. Lactose fermenting colonies bacteria shows pinkish color in this media, and non-lactose fermenting bacteria colonies are show yellowish color in this media. So let's see how to prepare MacConkey Agar. Here is the composition of MacConkey Agar. We are using the ready-made MacConkey Agar of high media. Here it mentioned 55.04 grams in 1000 ml. After that, we will autoclave it in 15 lbps for 15 minutes. Let's prepare 100 ml of MacConkey Agar. For the preparation of 100 ml of MacConkey Agar, we need 5.5 gram of MacConkey Agar. After weighing 5.5 gram of MacConkey Agar, now we will add it in this conical flask. Measure 100 ml of distilled water. After adding the distilled water, we will mix it completely. Now we will put it for autoclave. After autoclave, we will pour it in a sterile plate and use it for the microorganism growth. Thank you for watching Heredity Bioacademy YouTube channel. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.